अब हम श्री विक्रमजीत सिंह साहनी जी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे कृपया सभा को संबोधित करें।
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में कोई दीदावर पैदा। हमारे सबके बहुत ही प्यारे और हम सभी जिनकी आँखों के तारे आदरणीय गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी, श्री अरुण कुमार जी and other distinguished guests, brothers and sisters of Art of Living family, I think we all are very much blessed to be here in the temple of humanity. ये इंसानियत का मंदिर है जो हम गुरु जी की blessing के साथ यहाँ हैं. All of you know that with humble spiritual beginnings on the serene banks of Rishikesh, Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji started a movement rooted in meditation, simplicity, inclusiveness and human values. What began in early 1980s has now become a spiritual and humanitarian movement spanning in more than 180 countries with thousands of Art of Living centers and millions of followers carrying forward the message of peace and harmony across the world. There is a profound difference between merely existing and truly living. When I was flying, I said, how Gurudev must have coined this name, the art of living. Millions of us, we just exist. Existing is not enough. Passing the life, it is living with a purpose, with a compassion, with a peace and the inner joy and life to celebrate what Gurudev ji is teaching us. From addressing the United Nations, World Economic Forum, UNESCO and the European Parliament to engaging in peace efforts in Colombia, as Tejwar ji was just saying, in Colombia, Iraq, Sri Lanka, Kashmir, Gurudev ji message has reached global leaders, diplomats, and policymakers. His teachings have also inspired students and young leaders at institutions like Harvard, Stanford, Oxford, IITs, and IIMs. Today, Gurudev's message assumes profound significance. In the history, we have witnessed conquerors like Ahmad Shah Abdali, to whom Maharaja Ranjit Singh Sher-e Punjab fought, Adolf Hitler, Napoleon Bonaparte, who subdued nations through force, fear, warfare and their sword. They may have conquered territories and redrawn geographical boundaries, but brothers and sisters, they could never conquer the hearts or the human spirit. Here is Gurudev ji, जिन्होंने compassion, humility, service, प्रेरणा से, सद्भावना से मिलियंस और मिलियंस का दिल जीता. वो अपार शक्ति है. The tragedy of our lives is conflicts. No religion teaches us to fight with each other, but unfortunately, you will agree that maximum violence in this world is happening due to religion, on the name of religion or even intra-religion and the sects. एक तरफ हमारे गुरुओं ने सर्व सांझीवालता, वासुदेव कुटुंबकम का संदेश दिया और गोल्डन टेम्पल दरबार साहब अमृतसर की नींव एक मुसलमान फ़कीर से रखवाई गई और श्री गुरु तेग बहादुर जी ने धार्मिक आज़ादी के लिए, सब धर्मों का बराबर आदर के लिए अपनी शहादत दे दी. बट टुडे व्हाट वी विटनेस इज Israel and Palestine conflict. A heart bleed when we see innocent children buried under rubbles, hundreds of children being killed in a school, hospitals bombed, grieving, mothers carrying lifeless children in their arms. Jerusalem and Bethlehem, today at the heart of Israel-Palestine conflict, are among the holiest lands for humanity. As you know, Bethlehem is revered as the birthplace of Jesus Christ, where he had floated on the Dead Sea between Jordan and Israel, while Jerusalem holds sacred significance for Christians, Muslims, and Jews alike. Now, what is happening recently? Strait of Hormuz, a narrow natural passage through which nearly 1/3 of the world's global energy supplies transit, has become a power point, a geopolitical tension. Nations are competing to control it, and humanity is suffering. With no food, no fuel, no fertilizers. We need a charismatic personality like Shri Ravi Shankar ji to spread the message of peace in entire West Asia. Otherwise, this conflict will carry on for the ages. Today, we need spiritual leaders like Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji, who don't divide the minds but who heal the hearts. Gurudev's soft words, compassion, and message of non-violence have silently transformed millions. As Guru Nanak Dev ji said, Sarbat da Bhala. This is what Gurudev ji is teaching, and his compassion extends beyond humanity to nature itself. I think on the environment side also, the Art of Living have done a pioneering work through reforestation, revival of water bodies, construction of thousands of check dams, and bringing life to the drought-affected religions. श्री गुरुदेव रविशंकर जी, मैं एक बात आपसे अभी मेरे को ध्यान आया कि भारत में जो हमारा युवा है, स्किल्स और जॉब्स के लिए बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन वो नशों की ग्रस्त में जा रहा है। नशों की जो दीमक है वो हमारे युवाओं को खा रही है। हमें गुरुदेव श्री रविशंकर जी की रहनुमाई चाहिए। अगर हमें भारत को नशा मुक्त बनाना है, युवाओं को नशे से छुड़ाना है, तो हम आपके साथ हैं। आप लीड लीजिए, हम तन मन धन से, हमारे वॉलंटियर्स, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के वॉलंटियर्स, सॉरी टू से द politicians say we all sit in Rajya Sabha and make speeches, and Tejasvi Surya ji and all my worthy members, but we need somebody, a beacon light like Shri Ravi Shankar ji, to make a nasha mukt Bharat. और अंत में हमें यही करना है, नानक नाम चढ़ी कला जो गुरुदेव जी भी स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं, तेरे भाने सरबत का भला. All humanity, all inclusiveness should be one world, one humanity. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
धन्यवाद माननीय, आपके प्रेरक संदेश एवं शुभकामनाओं के लिए.
We now invite